If you're hunting for a used car right now, you've probably seen the wild swings in price and reliability. One day you find a deal that looks too good to be true, and often it is. But what if I told you there are cars out there that are cheap, reliable, and actually worth buying even when your budget is tight? Today we count down 10 used cars under serious budget pressure, but which still deliver real value. And by the end, I'll show you one model most people ignore that might just be the smartest buy in 2025. Stay with me. And if you like real-world data, not guesswork, hit subscribe now because we dive deep into owner surveys, dealer listings, lab costs, and global reliability reports. Number 10, Honda Civic, 4-cylinder. Let's open strong with the Civic, the 1.8-liter/2.0-liter 4-cylinder models from 2012 to 2016. They are everywhere. Parts are cheap and reliability is high. Owner reviews show 2012 Civics having strong reliability ratings. For example, KBB reports 72% of 403 owners said they'd rate reliability at 5 stars. KBB.com +2, Cars.com +2. Expect used asking prices in good condition in the U.S. market roughly $6,000 to $10,000, depending on mileage and condition. Fuel economy typically in the 28 to 36 miles per gallon combined range if well maintained. The major advantage is the ecosystem. Tons of parts, many listings, so negotiating strength is on your side. Inspection tip: skip heavily modified examples or ones with salvage titles. Source references: KBB owner survey and reliability data. Number 9, Toyota Corolla. If dependability is your number one priority, the 2011 to 2014 Corolla is a safe bet. According to Consumer Reports, the 2014 model has very strong reliability indications. Consumer Reports +1 RepairPal data for the 2012 Corolla shows an average annual repair cost of about $383 per year. RepairPal.com. In real world, you're looking at used pricing of roughly $5,000 to $10,000 for clean examples in slightly higher mileage territory. Fuel economy sits around 30+ miles per gallon combined, depending on driving conditions. The trade-off: you won't have sporty handling, but you'll probably get fewer service surprises. Source references: Consumer Reports reliability, RepairPal cost data. Number 8, Hyundai Elantra. Stepping slightly outside the top 2 safe bets, we hit a value model, the 2013 to 2017 Elantra. Hyundai improved its reliability post-2012, and you can often pick these up for less money than the Toyota/Honda equivalents. Typical asking in the US can be in the US $4,000 to $8,000 range for good mileage. While comprehensive study data is less abundant than the big two, multiple owner forums and dealer listings suggest solid service records. Confirm service history and check for any prior transmission issues. Hyundai had known issues in pre-2012 models, but the post-2012 era is cleaner. Source: General Owner Dark Market data from listings and forums. Number 7, Mazda 3. Here's one for the buyer who wants slightly more feel while still keeping budget low. Mazda 3s in the 2010 to 2015 range combine decent driving dynamics with reliable powertrains. European reliability data, TÜV/ADAC type reports, show Mazda 3s above average in defect rates. The used market in the US places pricing often around $4,000 to $9,000, depending on condition. Fuel economy generally 26 to 33 miles per gallon combined. For inspection, watch for rust on older models, especially northern states, and suspension wear due to sporty driving. Source: European reliability reports plus US user forums. Number 6, Honda Fit small car, big value. The Honda Fit from this time frame is roomy, efficient, and built to last. Typical asking in the US for 2009 to 2014 models could be US $4,000 to $8,000, combined MPG often 30+, and the repair cost data places it near the top of the subcompact reliability. For example, comparisons show the Fit at an average annual repair cost of around $390, slightly higher than the Yaris but still very low. RepairPal.com, the magic seat interior in older fits adds practical value. For inspection, ensure previous owners weren't heavy on modifications or harsh driving. Source: RepairPal comparative reliability data. Number 5. Toyota Yaris, US market. Now we're in the top 5, and this is the sleeper hit for tight budgets. In the US market, you'll find 2012 to 2015 Yaris models for around US $5,000 to $10,000, especially if mileage is moderate and condition good. Fuel economy is strong. EPA estimates up to 30 miles per gallon city/38 miles per gallon highway for some trims. Owner data and RepairPal show the average annual repair wash maintenance cost for a Yaris at just $333 per year across its model years, and the reliability rating is 4.5 out of 5, ranking it first among 21 subcompact cars. RepairPal.com +2, Edmunds.com +2. What I like: extremely low ownership cost, Toyota brand support, sub $10,000 buy-in for many units. What to inspect: some vibration reports for 2012 models, engine mount issue, and any work history should be verified because major issues are rare, but parts like AC compressor or oil pump can get expensive. RepairPal.com. If you find a clean example under US $8,000 with documented service, you're getting excellent long-term value. Source: RepairPal detailed cost and reliability data. Number 4. Subaru Impreza non-turbo. If you need all-wheel drive and still want to keep costs low, an Impreza non-turbo in this bracket is worth a look. Typical used pricing in the US falls around $5,000 to $9,000 depending on condition and mileage. Fuel economy in AWD mode is respectable, approximately 25 to 30 miles per gallon combined. The caveat: some earlier 2.5-liter versions have head gasket or coolant mix issues, so a pre-purchase inspection is essential. Many owners report that if you skip the turbo and pick a well-maintained unit, you've got a strong value for bad weather driving. Source: Owner G Repair Forum Research. Number 3. Ford Fusion 2.5-liter naturally aspirated. Here's a slightly larger car for your budget: the Fusion 2.5-liter. Avoid the turbo models. Used pricing in the US market: US $4,000 to $8,000 for clean examples. Fuel economy roughly 24 to 30 miles per gallon combined if maintained. RepairPal lists average annual repair costs around $500 to $600 for this model, which is decent for the size and comfort gained. The driving experience is more grown up, and you can often find good dealer-traded units. Just inspect service history and skip the EcoBoost/turbo trims if reliability long-term is your goal. Source: RepairPal reliability data. Number 2. Toyota Matrix/Pontiac Vibe. These two are effectively twins. Same Toyota powertrain as the Corolla, but often lower cost because they lack the main Toyota badge prestige. Used listings in the US typically range around $3,000 to $7,000, MPG about 28 to 34 combined, and RepairPal shows annual repair costs around $350 to $450. This makes the Matrix Vibe a practical hatchback with solid reliability credentials. Owners frequently report reaching 200,000 plus miles when maintained. For tight budgets wanting versatility, hatchback, this is a sleeper pick. Source: RepairPal cost and reliability comparison. Number 1. Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Top pick. For me, the top pick at this budget level is the Accord 4-cylinder version from roughly 2010 to 2014. Used market asking prices in the US for clean units: US $5,000 to $10,000, depending on mileage and condition. Fuel economy is strong for a midsize car, approximately 26 to 34 miles per gallon combined. In technical data, used oil analysis programs show these engines age well when maintained. The blend of comfort, size, brand reliability, and long-term support makes it stand out. Inspection tip: verify oil change history, avoid run-to-failure examples, and check suspension, steering wear, because miles do add up. Source: oil analysis programs, plus owner, geo market research. If you're on a tight budget, reliability isn't about luck. It's about knowing which platforms, years, and powertrains to trust. The 10 cars we covered today show you don't need a massive budget to drive something that won't drain you. Which of these would you trust for a cross-country trip? Let me know in the comments below, and if this helped you narrow down your search, consider subscribing to Engine Insight for more real-world research, owner data breakdowns, and used car deals you can trust.